Guys, what's up? How's it going? So we wanted to do a quick little intro because good news, everyone, we bought a house. So we're gonna be just showing you guys like what we've done, what we're gonna do, our plans for updating, and you know, just making it our home. So come along with us and
moving to the west side,
I guess, of town. Okay guys, well, we'll see you when we get there. See you guys. So we're here at our new home. It's our first time coming. We haven't even opened the door. It's closing day. We just got the key and the code. Jesse's entering that right now. So let me give you a quick little tour here. This is the neighborhood. We've got a deck up there. This is the first floor. So let's take a look and we'll see. That first step in. Okay. So laundry space. Very beautiful space. Get some light on. There we go. Now we got the beautiful view. Where's the dog? Come on, Maximus. Come on, buddy. It's his first time in the house. So that's the kitchen downstairs. We're gonna bring our stainless steel fridge and we're gonna pop it right there in that corner. This is the entire space. Bedroom is in here. It needs to be finished. Let's see if there's any more lights. Let's go upstairs and take a look. Come on, Maximus. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, let's go upstairs. Come on.
Come on, Max.
Don't be scared. Come on.
Come on, Max. Come. Max.
Who's my good boy? Come on.
Max. Come on.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
Maximus.
Max, come on.
Good boy.
Come on.
Good boy. So again, backyard view. You can see the kid down there on the swing. There's already a swing set from the previous owner. Let's check out the master bedroom now. And I'm like turning the wrong way because I don't even know where this where the bedrooms are yet. Okay, here we go. This is where all the magic happens, baby. So this is the master. Quite big. We've got 2 windows, which is awesome. This one faces the road. And then this one here faces the backyard, so I can keep an eye on the boy while he's outside right there by the swing. Perfect spot. Lovely, lovely, amazing closet where we have more than enough room to store all of our clothes, because right now in our house, not enough storage space, but this is gonna be perfect. Like, we have separate his and her closets. So there's one side right here with some more storage space right here. I love this full length mirror door, which is awesome. I have one at my place right now. And then the other side of the closet, which is a bit larger, which will obviously be mine. So there we go. Love it, Max? Do you like it, buddy? I know, I love it too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of the inside. You know what? Let's just take a quick peek at the deck, because this is where we're entering our upstairs apartment, basically. This is our deck, and then we head down, and then we have the rest of the yard. Very soon.
Maybe they heard there's a colored couple over.
They're like, let's just swing by and make sure everything is on the up and up. Hey Noah, come see the police. Oh, it's the ambulance.
Fire truck. We were talking about ambulance.
And this is the well. We're on well water, of course. You can actually see down here because it's not. I'm terrified of wells, by the way, but there's water down there. I just don't like it. It scares me. It scares me. So we have to get the screws and screw this back in, and then we have to clear cut most of this property to make room for more yard space, garden space, grazing space for some of our animals. This space is really fun. I love this space. It's right under the tree. It's shaded. It's perfect. It goes all the way down there. So we're planning on making some sort of walking area somewhere along this space here. We don't know exactly where we want to start it, maybe under this tree, and then we'll head down into that back space. It's about 1 acre. But right down there, guys, there is a stream. It's really nice. It is so beautiful. We were here about a month ago, and it wasn't as overgrown as it is now. You can see down there, there's a bit of like a chicken coop, which we're gonna have to redo and fortify to make it good for the chickens. So we're gonna have to do a lot of work, and we want you guys to literally watch and come along with us as we turn this space into our space. And there he is, ready to start. Hi guys, so we're back, second day of our move-in tour that we're doing. So I just wanted to show you guys that we are busy moving in.
Happy Canada Day.
Whoop whoop. There, it's been canceled. Yep, so instead of celebrating Canada Day, we're moving in. So we're cleaning. I've pretty much swept pretty much all of the rooms so far. I have to mop the floors still, pick up trash. We've got boxes everywhere. They're coming in, stuff all over the place. So yeah. And then once we bring everything in, we'll show you the after, once we fix up the walls and some of the painting that we have to do. Bring everything in and clean up and make it our house. So guys, we'll be back soon. Come back and check it out.
So this place was meant to be, it was destiny that we got this place. And I'll show you guys why. Check this out. Wait, how do I flip this? Hold on. I'm phone fob. How do I flip this? Guess you can't flip it? Okay, I gotta cut this. Check this out, guys. Anybody that knows anything about Persians, you'll know that we are obsessed with mulberries. Besides saffron and rose water and rice, basmati rice, we love mulberries. So not only do we got this bush here, but all the way down here, that guy there, that's a whole mulberry tree. Look how big it is. So guys, I have to clear cut all of this, trying to make a path. And basically everything here has to get clear cut by me, all by myself. The goal is to reach, if I don't fall. Hold on guys. Somewhere over there, there's a chicken coop buried. The people who lived here before abandoned this place. Well, they just didn't take care of this part of the land. So we're gonna have to revive it all. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, so we're at the back of the house. It's a really tall house. Actually, I think it's the tallest house on the street. So I just came through the downstairs You can see this is the kitchen, and I just came down those stairs right there. Came down, and I'm at the sliding glass door now. Outside, I'm gonna have to plant some plants. We're gonna do some mulch, and then we're gonna plant some flowers all in this space right here, because there's tons of space to plant flowers right here. Sorry about the noise. There's a lot going on.